Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerville County in north-central Texas, northeastern Erath County in central Texas, Hood County in north-central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Bluffdale, or 8 miles east of Stephenville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Stephenville, Granbury, Pecan Plantation, Glen Rose, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Bluffdale, Squaw Creek Reservoir, Oak Trail Shores, Morgan Mill, Decadova, Crescent, Toller, Stockton Bend, Wapples, Mambrino, Paluxy, Duffau, Acton, Lake Granbury, and Rainbow. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.